Install the retaining ring in the pin groove on the side of the piston. Lubricate the pin and pin bores with clean engine oil. Assemble the piston onto the connecting rod. Install the pin through the piston and the connecting rod. Install the second retaining ring. The connecting rod and cap must have the same number and must be installed in the proper cylinder. The connecting rod cap number and rod number must be on the same side of the connecting rod to prevent engine damage during engine operation.